We are pleased to show you the 2021 Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.